disclaimer. Do not make this trade. Seriously, don't. This video is for educational purposes only and placed by a professional trader from Maverick Trading. Maverick Trading is sponsoring this trading experiment with a $100,000 trading account. To trade for Maverick Trading, you can submit an application for stock, option trader or currency trader from the link in the video description below.
Hello Flat Earth Trading Society members, this is Rob and we are on to trade number 9. So let's jump into it. If you don't know what we're doing here, it's your first time. We are basically picking random entries, not caring about how or when we enter the trade, and we're saying that we're going to make money simply off of the position management when we choose to sell it. That is the whole part of this experiment. We don't care how we buy, all we care is how we sell. So what are we going to do this week? Well, let's take a look at it.
Hello Flat Earth Trading Society members, this is Rob, and what you see behind me here is the Radcliffe Library in Oxford, England. I'm at the Oxford University. I'm going to be traveling here for the next 4 weeks. I was just in Wales, a beautiful country. I cannot wait to go back to Wales. If you're from Wales, please drop me a comment. Let me know where you live there. We're going to be doing some travel themed trading here over the next couple weeks. And since we're in Oxford, let's go see if there is a stock with Oxford somewhere in its title that we can make a trade on.
Let's put in that name, Oxford, and see what we have. We have a whole bunch of preferred stock. But here we are, Oxford Industries. It is a stock that trades on the NYSE, and it is a $101 stock, so that looks like that will work for us. So let's take a look at this. It's 101.96 is the current price. The ATR is currently sitting at 267, so let's build our order ticket. It is August 29th. The ticker symbol is OXM. We are going to be short. The moving average was sloping down, so we're going to be short. Forgot to cover that. Entry 101.96. We go on to our exit. We have an ATR of 267, so 2x ATR is going to be $5.34. So we're going to be $5.34 above the entry price. So that's going to give us a stop price of 107.30 is going to be our stop price. Let's go back and figure out our position sizing so we can fill the rest of this in. The first thing we need to do is go get our current account balance. Here we are on our account page. You can see we've got 3 positions open, FIS, WT, and still our pound dollar. We've got 1 break even, 1 winner, 1 loser, about what we would expect. Let's go see what our current account balance is. So you can see account balance is $103,804. So let's go put that into a position size calculator and see what we get. Ticker symbol is OXM, Oxford Industries. Let's go ahead and get that quote, 101.96, and we are going to be short. The moving average, the 13-period EMA was sloping down. Our account value is 103,804. And we're going to be risking 1% on this trade. And our stop price, we said it was going to be at 107.30. 107.30 is 2x ATR above that price. So let's go ahead and hit calculate. And there we have it. It is 194 shares. Let's go in and make that trade. Let's go ahead and put in this order. OXM is the symbol. Okay, now it is in the middle of the night in the US over here. I'm in the UK. So we need to be a little bit more thoughtful about this. Now I'm going to put in the order, the sell short order, but we also need to attach a stop to this right away. And the only way we can do that is to make this a limit order. I can't make this as market order, I can make it as limit order. So limit price, I'm going to put this slightly below the market. So I'm going to say, look, 101.80. What that simply means is if it is anywhere above 101.80, go ahead and short it. So if this stock gaps down quite a bit, we may not catch this trade. That is just part of the risk of the way we're trading this. But I'm going to go ahead and attach the stop to this order. So as soon as it gets filled, it is going to have the stop order right there right away. So I'm not going to have a profit taker, but I'm going to have a stop. My stop is going to be a trailing stop, and it's going to be at the trailing price of $5.34. That was 2x ATR on this, 534. Make sure that's good till canceled. We're going to go ahead and hit submit, and that order is in here. Because of the nature of this trade may not get filled when the US market opens. I put our order a little bit below the market, so if it opens up around the same price as it closed at, 101.96, anywhere above 101.80 will get short. If not, we may not get this, but this trade is in. This is trade number 9. Let's run down all the final numbers. So August 29th, we are short OXM, 194 shares at, we assume, 101.96. We'll update this when it gets filled. Our ATR was 267. So we've got our stop, 2x ATR above that price. Our first target, if the stock gets to 96.62, we will move our stop from 2 ATR to 1.5. If it gets down to 91.28, we'll move it to 1x ATR, making it tighter. And that's it. We're simply going to follow our rules, and that's all we're going to do. And from this point on, we are watching and waiting and just seeing what happens. Thanks for joining me for trade number 9.